What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're out here right now at Ink Vested, and today's going to be my first day taking over Vu's spot. Vu's in Vietnam right now, so I'm gonna take over for the next 2 weeks.
What's up, guys? It's Tango. So I'm gonna go over some stuff with Alex today. I taught him waves a few weeks ago, and I think it's a good time to go back, see how he does with that, and correct them, and some cherry blossoms, and maybe have him trace some stuff to see how confident his lines are, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so the first task of the day is to draw some cherry blossoms. This was the first thing that I learned a few weeks ago, or even maybe like a month or two ago. So I'm gonna be revisiting that and drawing some cherry blossoms right now.
So drawing cherry blossoms, fairly easy. You wanna start off with a middle circle and 5 circles around it. Do it real quick because we're just sketching right now. That looks pretty cool. Maybe add a little leaf right here. Maybe another one right here. Another one right here. A little one right here and another one. Let's see how that looks. So that's just a sketch. Then I'm gonna start cleaning up this picture. Add the finishing touches to the end of the petals. Check it out, you know. What do you guys think? Yeah.
All right, guys, so I just did this cherry blossom right here, and now we're gonna get it corrected.
Yeah, overall, it looks pretty good. Let me lower the opacity down real quick. Start a new layer. In general, it looks fairly good. It's just you gotta make sure these lines like very smooth. You see, that's the only thing I'm really correcting. And these, like that, you know what I mean? Connect your lines. But overall, in general, your blossom doesn't look bad at all. I just want you to round these edges off nicely. So yeah, I didn't make much changes. I only kind of round off certain things for you. And then the leaves, gotta make them nice. Look at that. Do one and then just do another one next to it, kind of like that. Instead of circles touching each other.
It's like C's.
Yeah, some C's with each other, so it stays linked. But yeah, overall it's pretty good. So this is Alex's drawing, and I just overlaid my art on top just to make small changes, and it's fairly close. You know, you can get better, but not bad at all, bro.
Quick commercial break for my brand new laptop. I'm super excited for this because my current laptop has been struggling and it's been making it so hard to edit all of these videos. So I went ahead and bought a new one. Alright, you guys, we're gonna wrap up this video by going over all of the stuff that I drew today. Now today was the cherry blossoms, so we're gonna go over all of the cherry blossoms that I drew, hopefully pick out some that are cool, some might need some fixing, but we'll see what needs to be done.
Alright guys, it's judgment time.
Uh-oh.
Show them real quick.
So we have 6 cherry blossoms right here. This one's Tango's, and then the rest are the ones that I drew. So we're gonna go through and what are we gonna do? Pick our favorites, or see which ones need to be changed?
To me, about a cherry blossom, as long as the middle is nice and you got 5 petals touching this, some may be bigger or smaller, but it still look fairly good to me, because once you shade it and everything, it'll still look good. But my favorite one out of all of the 5 you did, well, you did more, but I think this one looks pretty nice.
That one?
Yeah. Because this is mine right here, you know, but this is like, you're still new with drawing, and you drawing this cherry blossom is pretty good progress. You definitely learned the trick of how I showed you, so it looked pretty good. Pretty much just save all this, and we're probably gonna shrink it down, and we're gonna create a little stencil and put it on fake skin.
Okay.
And maybe have you stencil on the fake skin and give you some tattoo time. Adjust you in on that.
Okay.
But so far so good. We were kind of busy today, so I still want to go over waves with Alex, but we can probably go over waves tomorrow with you.
Sounds
so far
good.
so good, dude. You did a good job today.
Thanks, man.
You can only from here you can only get better. The next couple vlog and his cherry blossom doesn't look like this, we will all say something. You're like, what the heck's going on, man? Why is it getting worse? But yeah,
Yeah, I'll work on it.
good job, bro.
Thank you.
But yep, you guys made it.
To the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out Tango's channel, which will be linked down below. We're out. Peace. Yo, oh my goodness. Hold on, I'm so orange. Oh, this one works. I just finished editing this whole video, and I just want to kind of wrap everything up and tell you guys, you know, how I was feeling in the moment and how I felt on my first day at a tattoo shop. If you guys have been following this series, you probably already know that I'm not a super artistic person, and for me, drawing is very difficult. Now, I'm training to be a tattoo artist, so as a tattoo artist, you're gonna have to be able to draw a bunch of different concepts, a bunch of different ideas, and use references and all that good stuff. So when I first started, I felt very, what's the word? I felt a little bit doubtful of myself just because I haven't had too much experience doing anything. Like, if you tell me to draw something, I wouldn't really be able to recreate it, but over months of practice now, I'm able to get it a little bit, and it's nice to see a little bit of progress. It gives me hope for the future. I feel like going into something kind of with that doubtful mindset is not the best mindset to have, but I gotta be realistic with myself, man. So now how I'm feeling is slightly less doubtful, a little more hopeful, and I'm just gonna use those feelings to build up from here and just see where it takes me. Trust me, this stuff is not easy. I know it is easy for some people, but woo, man, one day this will all pay off. But I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. I'll see you guys very soon for the next one. And if you guys are enjoying the tattoo content, don't forget to show some love to my teacher Tango. I have all of his info down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. I'm out. Peace.